Frustrated by the Preview-handler DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. As we prepare to fix Preview-handler manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Preview-handler, the unmanaged Preview-handler engine. It manages the rendering of file content, like PDF or DOCX, within the Windows Explorer Preview Pane. It facilitates the real-time data link between the document and the shell's visual container. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. If your software is failing because of Preview-handler DLL, the internal file mapping for localized shell preview orchestration is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Preview-handler component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Replacing Preview-handler without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Preview-handler. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Preview-handler workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.